Mopar 426 engine is here. This is Arthur's new power plant for his S14. He's got the Challenger front S14 that we are going to stick this Mopar 1000 horsepower crate V8 engine in. It's a 426 cubic inch or 7.2 litre. It's basically the next step up from the previous aftermarket engine that the Mopar brought out for their Hellcat. The Hellcat was a 6.2, 750 horsepower engine, and with the nod between that and the old 426 V8s that they brought out in the 70s that they used to call an elephant because of the size and the power behind them. Hellcat, elephant V8, they've put them together. This is called the HELLEPHANT. So they come basically as a plug and play. You can put them into anything. They are wired, it is tuned, it is ready to go. It even comes with an electric throttle that we're just going to throw into that, and we basically throw some fluids at it, some power, and we're good to go. We are going to do a couple of things for this. Arthur wants us to go dry sump, so we've got to get all that custom made. Fingers crossed that's going to give us the clearance we need to fit it into his S14 without doing any mods to the bonnet or anything like that. We are going to run a Samsonite sequential gearbox behind it as well, which is the same box that he runs in his S15 behind his RB. So between the two, he's going to have two sequentials. He's got the suspensions all the same, the brakes are all the same, the diff is the same, the winch is quick change, but one's running an RB and the S14 is going to run this bad boy. We know Arthur's super excited about this. He's been waiting 18 months since this engine came out, and to know that it's here, it's arrived, we're going to get it in his car. He is still in Hong Kong, can't travel at the moment because of restrictions, but hopefully Arthur, next time you're here in New Zealand, you'll see this beauty in person and it'll be under the bonnet of your beautiful S14. So we can't wait to see you.
Wake me up when the sun goes down. Sleepless nights, you wake me up when the sun goes down. I can't help it, baby, not myself when the sun goes down.